Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to easily fix a D3D11 compatible GPU issue. So first, go to your Windows icon, click on it and go to Settings. Next, click on System. Here, go to About, and on the right side, click on Advanced System Settings. And under Advanced and Performance, click on Settings. Then go to Advanced. Then click on Change. Now here, if this is tick, simply untick it and click on custom sizes, and on the initial size, input 1024. And for this one, you have to calculate it 1024 times your RAM. So let's open our calculator. Now let's input 1024 times my RAM is 16. So times 16 equals 16384. So simply copy it, then input it here, and then click on set, and then OK. After that, click on OK, and that's basically it.